Four, wait! I can't go. Come on, end ride. Start ride again. I just wasn't going. Come on. Scan, which is scan. Okay. Vibrated, and what am I waiting for?
Go. There you go. Should go.
Now it's gonna go. Okay. No. Before you try it. Try this one. Here. Hold this.
Hitching a ride, gotta get me home by the morning light.
Scooter to be able to ride together. So there's a lime forest, but let's check make sure one of these two bird scooters works, because didn't work last time. Bird scooters suck, by the way. Lime is better, but I can't rent two limes at one time, so let's try this one. Okay, try to unlock this bird scooter. Scan it. It says outside the service area. Really? Well, where do we have to take the service area? Let's push it. Let's try pushing it to First Avenue and see if that works.